Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to turn a list of addresses in Google Sheets into a visual interactive map that you can customize and share, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to easily build a custom Google map using addresses stored right inside your Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your locations mapped out, but you'll also be able to group, filter, and interact with your map in ways that make your data way more powerful. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get a tool inside Google Sheets called Mapping Sheets. This is an add-on that handles all the heavy lifting for us. To install it, head up to the top menu in your Google Sheet and click on Extensions. Then select Add-ons and search for Mapping Sheets. When it pops up, just click the Install button and follow the on-screen prompts. Google might ask you to give Mapping Sheets permission to work with your data. Don't worry, this is completely normal since it needs to read the addresses from your sheet. Once that's done, you can take a moment to pat yourself on the back. The hardest technical part is already finished. Next up, you're going to launch the tool. So again, go to Extensions on the menu bar, find Mapping Sheets, and this time choose Start Mapping. When you do this, you'll see a sidebar pop up on the right side of your screen. It's like your mapping control panel, and this is where the real magic starts to happen. If you already have your data typed into your sheet, like a list of restaurants, favorite travel destinations, or maybe client addresses, you're ready to go. If not, you'll want to add those addresses into your sheet before moving forward. Each row should be a different location, and each column should represent some piece of information, like the name, city, and the full address. Over in the Mapping Sheets sidebar, you're going to see a few drop-down menus where you'll select which columns from your sheet will be used for things like titles and filters. For example, in my case, I'll set the place name column as my map marker title so the names appear on the map. Next, I'll use the city column under the filter option. This is great if you want to explore or group your map by cities. And finally, for the actual location, make sure to select the column that carries the full address for each spot. This step is super important because having complete and accurate addresses helps Google's geocoding pinpoint each place on the map without errors. Once you've chosen your headers, go ahead and hit the Build button in the sidebar. Don't worry if this part takes a few moments. Mapping Sheets is busy geocoding all those addresses so they'll show up perfectly on your map. Give it a few seconds, especially if you have a big list. When it finishes building, a new option will pop up, View. Go ahead and click it. This will open your map right inside a brand new browser tab. And just like that, you'll see all your locations beautifully mapped out, complete with interactive info windows, filtering, and custom grouping just like you set up. So that's it. You started with a basic spreadsheet, and now you've turned it into an interactive visualization you can use or share. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want me to cover other mapping features, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing what you're working on. And make sure to subscribe for more handy Google tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.